Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Search Indexer high CPU usage on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Now this is one thing, but the main solution to lighten up the system and the high CPU usage is to turn off unnecessary startup processes. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and go to Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on Status here, and then you can find all the unnecessary processes which are enabled. Simply right click on them and then select Disable. Okay, anyone that you do not need to lighten up the system. Next one is a check the scan. Now search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r /f and hit enter to invoke the check the scan. Type Y and hit enter once again. Now this is something that we are addressing for the high CPU usage. But what about the root process? So the root process is Windows Search Indexer. Now just restart the Windows Search service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services, and then scroll down to Windows Search. Right click on it and then select restart here. I won't click on it, otherwise it will flicker my screen, but you can select restart to restart the Windows Search service. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.